here, now.
Listen, you're not gonna touch me.
Get on the ground now. Get on the ground. Get on the ground now.
Listen,
Lay
you're
on
gonna let me
the
go.
ground. Lay on the ground.
You're gonna let
Lay
me go
on your
and all
stomach.
your fucking footage
Lay
on
on
the
your
TV
stomach.
shit?
Lay on your
No,
stomach.
you're gonna bring out all your fucking producers right now. All your fucking TV shits, you're gonna bring them out now. Bring them out fucking now. Bring it out now. You're gonna bring them out now. Nope. All your fucking producers, you gotta bring them out now.
Negative, I'm trying to get her secured. She's resisting.
Yep, you gotta bring them out. Bring them out.
You can for now.
Yep.
Put your hands behind your back, do it now.
No. You go fuck
What
yourself.
are you doing this for?
Because y'all are fucking videoing me. You know you are. I told you to stop for years. You're not fucking stopping.
Put your hands behind
You're
your
gonna
back.
fucking stop.
I'm gonna.
You're gonna come through with it.
Now I'm not playing with you. Put your hands behind your back, do it now. Put your hands behind your back now. You're gonna get tased if you don't put your hands behind your back. You know that, right?
More for your TV shit?
Yeah, you think so?
More for TV? More for TV, right? Is that what it is? That's what it is. That's what it is, right?
Don't move.
That's what it is? More for TV? Huh? That's what it is? Is
Don't move. I'm telling you now. You're gonna get tased if you don't stop.
that what it is? That's what it is. More for TV, right? Yep. More for TV. You fucking losers. You fucking losers, man. I'll be your TV show. I'll be your fucking TV show, huh? You fucking red fucking haired fucking prick.
I'm not the one.
Fucking done.
Battery on Leo, too.
Yeah.
Now you just got 2 charges.
Oh, woohoo.
Good job.
Yeah, you'll know that call.
Just 1 second, okay? I'm just
Yeah.
gonna be here for a witness, okay?
Be on TV.
That's why I stopped.
Be on TV.
224.
That's why you stopped, so you could be on TV, right? Yep. 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 Are you kidding me? I was fucking the vape. You dummy. Yeah. I was kidding if I couldn't go.
Where'd you pick that up from?
I didn't pick that up. I do that.
You see? No, that though. You seen that right there, right?
Oh, yes. That's what she was stabbing the cars with.
Okay.
We got someone at 15. We're trying to get them to the vehicle right
Hey.
now.
Just set her back down.
Fuck you, Dylan. Fuck you. Yo, where's all the cameras? Bring them out. They're fucking all over the place. Listen, you dick